And I know you put that on for me. I know you put that on for me. Put that on for me.
Good morning, loves. It's Renee and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so it is currently 5:47. I'm about to just get started on breakfast. Today I'm making breakfast tacos. I got a lot to do today, a lot planned today, so let's just get right into it. I'm gonna eat them with syrup, but they look really good. Yep. Okay, so now that I'm all done with cooking breakfast, I am gonna read just one chapter of the book. I told y'all that I was reading this book over again. I'm only gonna read one chapter right now. I probably end up reading another 2 chapters later on tonight after I finish doing everything now, because I have to start doing my meal prep. Today I'm going to be meal prepping pepper chicken and rice. So yeah, I got to start cooking that because we're supposed to be going to the art museum at about 1-ish o'clock, and I want my meal prep to be done before I even go, so that when I come back I can eat. Okay, so I am now on chapter 10. It is that I'm going to be reading right now. It's called Infection, Avoid the Unhappy and Unlucky. Okay, so I'm gonna read y'all the judgment really quick. You can die from someone else's misery. Emotional states are as infectious as diseases. You may feel you are helping the drowning man, but you are only participating in your own disaster. The unfortunate sometimes draw misfortune on themselves. They will also draw it on you. Associate with the happy and fortunate instead. This could be a good one. I think this is gonna be a good one. Okay, so I finished reading chapter 10. That chapter was kind of short, so I'm gonna read 11 really quick. Law number 11. It says, learn to keep people dependent on you. The judgment is, to maintain your independence, you must always be needed and wanted. The more you are relied on, the more freedom you have. Make people depend on you for their happiness and prosperity, and you will have nothing to fear. Never teach them enough so that they can do without you. Dang, that's kind of crazy. So I'm finna read chapter 11 real quick, and then I'm gonna see y'all when I start meal prepping, okay? Okay, so currently it is 10:06. I am trying to be out the house by like 12:30, no later than 1. I'm gonna try to meal prep this as fast as I can so that we can head over to the art museum. My little checklist. This is my Sunday reset to do checklist for this Sunday. The rest of the things I have to do is I have to clean the kitchen and the bathroom. I'm gonna do that when I get back from the art museum. Read 3 chapters. I read 2, so I'm gonna read 1 more tonight and then meal prep, what I'm doing right now.
I put Chanel on my feet, and European model got Chanel on my seats. Put me in a third world country in the middle of the slums, I'ma turn it to $1 million street. For real, I made this, so it's $1 million beat. V12 BBS, I fell in love with beats. Walking your session, you ain't rapping about nothing. My invoice gon' be $1 million fee. Oh God, hop in a Bentley and slide, and what? Reach from my chain and you die. babysitter. Kim Jong-un in my pants is a missile. Friend of the family, I hit all the sisters. The mama love me, so she hit all my pills straight up. Cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, 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 cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash out, cash out, cash out.
No, I ain't heard of that. I hit the beach in her furry hat. She got a guy, but she purring back. I'm looking like where he at, nigga. Get out the way. That girl my babe. Rock on my hand, nah, this ain't Dwayne. This shit neon, yellow like peon. It on both sides, yeah. You can see I'm B.I. Got whips like slaves, the garage like yeehaw. Horses, more car keys in the peon. The one came with an umbrella like Rihanna. Nigga, let's be honest. Be honest. Track need a life, nigga, so they put me on it. Nigga, you don't be on what we on.
I don't need like to get it poppin', but these
I know they do out stuff. They put this out every time I come.
you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You honestly, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it, let nobody notice it. Oh, stay out the way. I need you to get the fuck out my space. Replacements on the way, please don't play. Pussy spin like a great escape. I need no trick, gold eyes don't change. I'm fucking, I ain't making love no more. You got a new bitch, what the fuck you crying for?
Yo, that look crazy.
As I feel like we committed a crime. Wherever long, no circle spot. We can't be outside, cause I'm not against the crowd. Am I on your mind? Wherever you are, don't call me. Tell me so. I'm on the loop, I'm out of range. I don't need I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business got me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know.
Alright, y'all, so I'm back at home. The art museum, it was fun. I thought when I went in there, because I've been to that art museum before, I thought when I went in there, it was going to be all of the same shit, but they had a lot of new shit in there. It felt so good outside, like, it's hot as a bitch. You'll think it's summer. Like, I don't even know why I wore this jacket. But yeah, that low-key made me sleepy. I think it's because I've been up all day. Like, I'm dead ass. I'm hungry. I'm ready to eat my food, chill for a little while. I might take a nap. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm gonna wake up later because later today, the last thing I gotta do today, or what I had planned today, was to clean my kitchen and my bathroom. With the kitchen, I don't really gotta clean the kitchen. I just wanted to wipe down the counters and shit like that and wash the dishes that I used when I was meal prepping and stuff. Okay, y'all, so I am super tired. I ended up taking a nap, but I probably sound bad. Like, I feel so sick. Like, I had to take a nap and I was asleep for some shit, cause like, I feel so bad. Like, fucking nose is like stopped up. I feel real congested. Like, I just feel so sick. Like, spring is approaching, and this got to be my, out of all of the seasons, spring is my very least favorite. Like, I get so fucking sick in the spring. Like, I hate it, and I hate being sick because like my body be feeling like it's just shut down. Like, I don't even feel like cleaning the kitchen or the bathroom for real. I ain't even gonna lie. This motherfucking sickness, it has to go away, and it has to go away quickly because I got a fucking party to go to next weekend, and I'm trying to go. Let's just get into this.
Mommy screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I don't ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But as if you can keep it, like nobody knows. Even though I don't ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But as if you can keep it, like nobody knows. I need total confidential privacy. No one knows, thinking I'm a robot. Time's so strange that we on the first class trip. Don't work my nerves, you know I get more. Yeah, fucking we ain't making love no more. You talk that talk, but ain't no match of wit. So strong with that, baby. Whatever you need, don't call me. I don't really like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business got me out, you choosing violence. See me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. Heard your mommy screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I don't ski out the lowest.
Okay, so I cleaned the shower already off camera, and I just finished cleaning the kitchen.
In an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right at it, die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it, die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one I'm really, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tense up. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be the man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I freak up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it, die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I'm outside in it. Right outside.